Magandang hapon, we are prepared Chinese birthday. Some friends and family is here at naghanda kami para sa birthday ng nephews ng husband ko. Naglalagay ng mga balloons, naghihintay din sa ibang dumating. Sila lang yung nagchika kasi nahihiya ako. At di ko gets minsan sinasabi nila. At tumingin na lang ako sa birthday boy na naglalaro sa friends niya. Napakagandang view talaga kasi may swimming pool yung view kaya hindi boring tingnan kasi maganda ang panahon at maganda ang view. This is the backyard of house ng stepfather ng husband ko. Napakaganda tingnan. Kaya yung iba nagluluto at yung iba nagchikahan, yung iba umiinom. I'm very happy because my nephews will be very, very happy. And then, yan, kumakain na kami. Kumakain na din yung birthday boy. Kaya, napakagandang tingnan at saka sobrang saya niya sa araw ng birthday niya. Kaya, napakaganda din ng panahon. Hindi talaga masasayang yung panahon kasi maganda ang araw. And that time, it's so much happier. And now, the birthday boy will be blow the candle and then everyone will be singing. And everyone will be happy to sing. And then, her mom will be so much happy. He is 4 years old. And thank you for all sa panonood. Salamat!